Schools in Anambra, Nigeria have resumed for the third term academic section, which marks the end of 2023-2024 academic year. It's an important time for the SS3 students as they prepare for their WAEC examinations and look forward to graduating from high school. Some of the students expressed their excitement about venturing into higher education. While some are skeptical, others are looking forward to what the future holds for them. One of the students talked about his passion for agriculture and his desire to study agriculture in the university.
Study agriculture about plants and animals. It is exciting, simple, and if you're doing agriculture, you get close to nature. You get to know nature very well.
It's always inspiring to see students pursuing their interests and dreams. There are conducive environments and facilities provided for Neri High School, such as the football field, basketball court, volleyball court, among other sports, which contribute to a well-rounded educational experience. As part of embracing the Igbo culture, the state government mandates the students to dress in ceremonial attires on Wednesdays and interact in the native Igbo dialect on Wednesdays and Fridays, as it adds a cultural element to their education. Schools have started off in a positive note for the third term academic session in Anambra State, and we wish all the students the best of luck in their exams and future endeavors. I am Priska Ezago reporting for Anedo TV. Keep watching Anedo TV.